How to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you feel comfortable with and on the search URL type in Microsoft Reward. After that, from the search results, head over to the first link that says about Microsoft Rewards, click on it. That will take you to this page. Now from this page, which is the official website for Microsoft Rewards, click on this option that says Start Earning. After that, you might be asked to log into your Microsoft account. Once you log into your Microsoft Reward account, you will land on this interface from where you can view your available points in Microsoft Rewards. If you scroll down a bit, they will have the multiple options which will allow you to earn the points in Microsoft Reward. You can perform any one of that. Now, once you have enough available points to purchase or to get Robux, then you can proceed to redeem the Robux. If you have enough points, now from this interface, click on redeem option. After you click on redeem here, if you scroll down, the popular one that is Roblox digital card is here. Click on it. Now under this, you have an option to choose from. You can get 100 Robux with 1500 points. If you click on this drop down box, there are more options. You can get 200 Robux with 3000 points as well. Once you have enough point in your Microsoft Rewards, then you will be able to get Robux, and that's how you get Robux in Microsoft Rewards. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.